Well, plural nouns were just what the doctor ordered. By merely adding the letter S to singular nouns, Herman was able to satisfy his growing appetite very easily. Instead of a house, he ate houses. Instead of a mere train, he ate trains. Well, as you might imagine, a small creature who eats so many plural nouns would be bound to come down with a terrible stomachache. And Herman did. So it was back to the doctor. When she x-rayed Herman's stomach to see what the matter was, she discovered the poor little worm's condition wasn't caused by eating too many plural nouns. "Aha!" she exclaimed. "I see the problem quite clearly. These plural nouns have been formed incorrectly, a common cause of stomach aches among worms. You see, when a noun ends in the letters S, SS, X, CH, or SH, it almost always becomes a plural, not by adding an S, but by adding ES. Gases, glasses, foxes, churches, bushes." And then, just to be certain that Herman's mother would know how to make singular nouns into plural nouns correctly, the doctor gave her this little review, asking her to make plural nouns out of these 5 singular nouns. See if you can do it too. Here's how Herman's mother made the plural nouns, which was correct. Did you make them this way also?